Welcome to a smarter way of handling suspicious activity reporting. Compliance teams are buried in manual tasks, sifting through thousands of transactions, identifying red flags, and drafting reports. That's where Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, steps in, turning manual tasks into automated workflows and accelerating the entire SAR process. RPA transforms your SAR workflow end-to-end. It monitors, extracts, analyzes, autofills, reviews, and submits the form. Here, we have a sample Excel file containing dummy data for a suspicious activity report. As you can see, the RPA bot is now fetching data directly from the file and filling the SAR form accordingly, step by step, just like a human, but faster and more accurate. Once the form is completely filled, the agent proceeds to submit the report. Immediately after submission, a confirmation email is triggered, with the SAR report attached. Here, the email has been received, and as you can see, it includes the complete, detailed SAR report auto-generated and submitted without manual effort. What do you get? Faster reporting, higher accuracy, and more time for real analysis. RPA works with your existing tools, no need to change systems. Ready to automate your SAR process? Talk to us at Catnip Infotech.